Hello viewers and welcome back to Chima Marta Spiritual Tips. My name is Brother Chima, Prince Marta, and I am a spiritualist. Have you been tormented by the enemies? Have they made life uncomfortable for you and you are in a tight corner? You are gradually running into the state of depression and you don't know what to do or where to go. But you know that somebody somewhere or something somewhere is responsible for the reason you are in this mess. And at times, some of them will do it to your face and they will tell you will do nothing. If you are that kind of a person, that you are under the oppression of a wicked person, today this video is for you. Egg-Cellent Support. Clash Royale. Yes. It's a Clash Royale between titans. You are one of the great titans because you are on the right track. Yes. I call it Egg-Cellent Support. Clash Royale. No way out for the enemies. What you are going to need is just an egg and your pen. When you are done with this particular assignment, your enemy will see you and they will run away. Yes. They will be running in the camp of the enemy. This is not jamboree. Yes. If you are not ready to hear bad news concerning your enemies, please don't try this. Yes. I commend all YouTubers who are doing great work like I am doing, trying to help people out of their problems. I say may God bless you people because you are doing great job in helping people. Yes, God has brought us to YouTube for us that has eyes to see, for us that knows the herb and what the herbs are for us to use it to help the world. And please, if you are just coming in contact with this face for the very first time, or you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, Prince Marta, and I am a spiritualist and the bona fide founder of Chima Marta Spiritual TV. And if you are just coming in contact with this face or coming across this channel for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my video and comment on the comment section if there's anything you don't understand that I said on here. You can also call me on the phone or chat me on WhatsApp as I am open to communication. The number on the screen is my number. And today, I am going to tell you how to put your enemy to shame, how to make your enemies to run helter-skelter. Whenever they see you, they will live your life alone. It is very simple and said. This is not a jamboree. I am not exaggerating. You can ask people who has been practicing with me on this channel, people whom I have been helping to do spiritual works, how God has been using me to break the barriers of stagnation in their life and to deliver them from the evil hands. And today I have bring another message for you that are watching me on here and those that are going to watch me later. But don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and to ask questions. Now you get me one egg in order to destroy your enemies, in order to finish your enemies. If you don't want to hear a bad news that your enemy has died, that stronghold that does not want you to progress, that he or she has met the end, don't do this. But if you want your enemy to leave you, to free you, to allow you to prosper, to allow you to enjoy your marriage, to allow you to enjoy the free gift of God that God has given you, just do this. How are we going to do this? Get your pen, any color of pen, any color of marker. If you know that man that has been disturbing you, that man that has been troubling you, that want to frustrate your life, that's your enemy, that has been saying it in your presence and letting you to know that you cannot do him anything or her anything. Write the name of that person on this egg. If they are more than one, write all my enemies. And if you don't know them in person, write to whom it may concern. That is my enemy on the egg. After writing it, begin to speak. Call the person's name 7 times. Or call all my enemies, all my enemies, all my enemies 7 times. And speak. Because after calling them, you have to dig a ground where you are going to bury this. You are going to bury it for complete 4 days. On the 5th day, yes, on the 5th day, you go wherever you break this and bring it out and pass a decree. You that strong man, you that strong woman that has been frustrating my life, that doesn't want me to reap what I have sown, that doesn't want God to bless me, that has put confusion in my marriage, in my family, today you meet your end. As I have buried these 4 days, the Mother Earth has signed this assignment. And as I am breaking it, wherever you are, you will start running whenever you see me. In the camp of the enemies, they are going to be running kaba kaba. You have to break this egg in between your leg. If you want it to be more effective, take it to a Y junction or a T junction or a 4-corner junction and wide up your leg and call all my enemies. Today, I call upon you people, whoever you may be, to whom it may concern that is my enemy. As I broke this egg, I want you to leave my family and my life, my marriage, my business alone. Break the egg in between your leg and let me see. You are going to come back here with a testimony. You see that enemy, that strong man, that strong woman that has been oppressing you, that does not want to leave you, that has been causing affliction, that has been causing distraction, that has been causing delay, stagnation, barrenness, poverty in your life. That man, that woman that wants you to die, after doing this, you are going to hear a bad news on their head. I am not exaggerating. And this is not fetish. So don't come and tell me that you are a Christian, you don't have to, your Bible condemns this. If you read your Bible well, you will know that the Bible also talk about burying something and bringing it out to use it to destroy the devil. If you are read through a Bible student, so don't come and ask me. It's very, very simple, said and done, but very powerful. After doing this, you are going to hear a bad news. Even whoever that is your enemy, those that used to come to your face and say you cannot do anything, you will see from that day. Whenever they see you, they will be running kaba kaba, heta sketa. Just try this tip that I just give on here right now. This recipe, I am back for good. For those of you that has been missing me, for you, my fans and my followers that has been calling me on the phone, Brother Chima, Prince, Marta, I am back, and I am back for good. Please make sure you done this recipe. Yes, let us start with this on how to destroy our enemy, on how to finish our enemy with just one egg, and what you can write on the egg. And please, I think I have come to the end of this video. Before I go off to the camera, if you are here, you have placed an order for your spiritual materials, please do me a favor in a sizing patient. People like Philemon Banda, Emilia Akufuado, Jennifer Anderson, you will receive your spiritual material before the end of this week. I am back in Lagos. And thank you for coming on here to watch me, and God bless you. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the red button down below this video, and as you do so, may God bless you. Bye for now. I am waiting for your testimony.